in honor of all the strong and powerful women uplifting the feminine energy on this planet. Jamaican Ooman by Louis Bennett. Jamaican Ooman cunning, sir. It's how them general, sir. Look how long them liberated and the man them never know. Look how long Jamaican woman, mother, sister, wife, sweetheart, out a road and in a yard, depend the dominate her part. From maroon nanny take her body, bounce bullet back per man, to when nowadays girl pick me, turn spelling bee champion. From the grassroots to the hilltop, in profession, skill and trade, Jamaican woman take her time, the mount and make the grade. Some back a man a push, some side a man a hold him hand, some a lick sense in a man head, some a guide him pan him plan. Neck and neck, foot and foot with man, she buckle her one, while man a call herself cerebral, woman turn back bone. Long before woman lib broke out over foreign land, Jamaican female was a worker liberated plan. Jamaican woman know she strong. She know she tell her what, but she no want her picnic them. Figure start call her poopa. So the cunning Jamaican woman go on like her pantsuit is style, and Jamaican man no know she wear the trousers all the while. So Jamaican woman coaxing family budget from explode. As so Jamaican man a sing, woman a hate me Lord. But the cunning Jamaican woman, she ban her belly, she bite her tongue, she catch water put on fire and just dig her to a ground. For a woman look their dung leap, some rooted more than some. But as long as foul a scratch dung leap, woman luck must come. Little by little man start for praise her. Day by day the praise her grow. So him praise her, so it sweet her. For she wonder if him know.